Hi, it's Fias Tarot. Hello, all signs. So, messages, energy check-ins, and prediction reading. Okay, so syempre, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. Okay, and syempre, kung may tanong po pagdating sa private reading, just message me sa akin pong FB page for more info, ganun rin pagdating kay Perception of Light. Okay? And yeah, don't forget to follow rin po, ha? And sa mga naghahanap po ng healer, physical, spiritual, sa may mga may sanib, sa may kulam, yan. Kay Kuya Dingsi po, ha? O yan, o. Message kayo sa kanya. Ito yung kanyang FB page. Message lang kayo. And yeah, don't forget to follow. Thank you. And sa ating mga naghahanap ng evil eye, item, sa mga nagtatanong, ito po, no, ating evil eye, all-in-one evil eye bracelet, available in red and black strings. Okay, ito, yeah, this is the black string. O, diba? Sinabi pa, kita naman na, diba? Ito, yung may initial. Okay, so dalawa yung ating bracelet. Ito yung isa, pero ito is walang initial. Okay, this is garterized. Okay, so pareho silang unisex. Okay po, pareho silang unisex, ha? Okay, so yan. Adjustable po ito. Okay, and pagdating sa ating evil eye ring, adjustable, non-tarnish and hypoallergenic. Okay, and yung ating evil eye necklace. So, pareho lang sila ni Evil Eye Ring na madalas ino-order na magkasama kasi magkatulad raw sila. Anyway, so non-tarnish, hypoallergenic, and meron siyang extender. Okay? And, yeah. Kung ipangre-regalo, ibibigay, kung kanino, we need names. Okay? And, pagdating sa ating The Granter Necklace, made to order po si Granter Necklace po, ha. Acrylic ang ating pendant. So, pagdating sa chain, siya po ay non-tarnish, hypoallergenic, and 20 inches po, no, yung kanyang length. Okay, nung chain. Oo. So, anyway, kung gusto niya namang gumamit ng ibang chain, pwede rin naman. Okay, importante lang talaga doon is yung ating pendant. Okay? So, yeah, kung may tanong pa, message lang po kayo sa akin pong FB page for more info. Okay, so yeah, let's start. Air signs. Yan, messages, energy check-ins, and prediction. Okay. So, air signs. Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius. Anong meron para sa inyo? The Knight of Swords, Universe, avoid rush. Okay, avoid nyo yung pagra-rush. What's with this Knight of Swords, Universe? Yeah, the Seven of Pentacles. Avoid yung rush. Ano tong Seven of Wands pala? Not Pentacles. Seven of Wands, what's this? Nakakita ko dito may hahabol ng due date, hahabol sa due date, hahabol sa schedule. Mga ganyan. Okay, like due dates. The King of Cups in reversed. Some of you meron ditong may nagpupumilit. Okay, nagpupumilit na ayusin yung isang connection. Huwag niyong gagawin. Lalo kayong aalisan, lalo kayong lalayuan ng kung sino man yan. Okay, yung nawawala na yung emosyon, lalo pang mawawala. Yes, pag ginawa nyo yan. So, what else for air signs? Okay, so we have here Pisces, air, and fire. Air signs. Okay, the lovers. What's with that lovers? Ten of Swords in reversed. Tingnan natin tong lovers, ha? Isa pa. The Two of Swords. There is a relationship here na pwedeng ang hirap alisan, ang hirap layuan, ang hirap pagdesisyonan. Okay, some of you may offer na paparating na pwedeng pagdedesisyonan ninyo. pwedeng nangyari na to noon, mangyayari ulit. Okay? If this is a relationship, kung ano man ito, pwedeng may mga pagtatago dito, may mga pagtanggi. Okay, and I think merong mga sitwasyon po or issue dito na kailangan na pong i-heal. Ha? Okay, kasi pwedeng hindi lang kayong naapektuhan, pati po yung mga nakapaligid na sa inyo. Okay? Meron ditong makikipag-ayos pero hindi natatanggapin. Yes. Gemini, air sign. Yeah, okay. Three of Cups. Energy ng reconnection or energy ng reconciliation. What's with that Three of Cups? Some of you may chance ng pwedeng may date na mangyayari pero may schedule with their friends. So, anong uunahin mo? May ganyan. Okay, so Three of Cups, meetups, meetings, like meeting up with your friends. Okay, going out with your friends. May celebration ako nakikita rito. Like that. Okay, what's with this Three of Cups? Yeah, the Justice. Oh, I'm seeing here kasal. Yes. And meron ditong parang paplastikin ka. A friend of yours. A friend of yours. Yes. Okay. Meron po ditong celebrate. Yes. Meron pong ipag-celebrate yung iba sa inyo. Ang ganda. May isa-celebrate. Something, sabihin nating legal. Okay, there's legalization here. I don't know. May nakukuha ko rito. May mga papasa. Exam, test, whatsoever. Licensure exams, mga ganyan. Okay? Yeah, strength. May promotion for some of you. May kasal. Yeah. So, there. May proposal, may promotion, mga ganyan. May humahabol. May humahabol na message. Sabi, anong pipiliin mo? Yung barkada mo? Or pagiging single mo? O yung ikakasal ka na? May ganun. Okay, so next is fire signs, Aries, Leo, and Sag. Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius, anong meron? Okay, messages for fire signs, please. Fire signs. The King of Wands reversed. What's that? So, nandyan yung control. Nandyan yung manipulation. The Page of Cups. Nakakuha ko ng energy ng pang-uuto dito, ha? Pang-uuto. Okay? Saan to? Antong King of Wands. Yeah, the Three of Swords reversed. Meron in general, may pang-uutong mangyayari, mga fire signs. Lalo na kung merong bumabalik or may magbabalik. Fire sign. Okay? Air sign and water. Yeah. Marami ka pang hindi nalalaman pagdating sa kanya, if ever. Okay, some of them magso-sorry. Pero, there's something behind that sorry. Okay? What else for fire signs? The Two of Wands. Confusion. Ano bang, yeah, may pamimili ako nakikita rito. Choosing. What's the Two of Wands? The Seven of Coins in reversed. Pwedeng may mga decision na gagawin na pwedeng merong gagamit ng pera dito. Okay? So, I think, para hindi masayang, no, yung patutunguhan ng pera nyo, pwedeng may mga bibilihin lang kayo. Tingnan ninyo, no, huwag kayong tumingin sa something na maraming nabili kasi ang mura. Tumingin kayo sa quality. Okay? Mga ganon. Sa quality. Okay? Sa tingin ninyo, huwag kayong masasayangan sa, ay, ang mahal kasi. Dito lang ako sa mura. Kapag doon kayo sa mura kumuha, mapapamura talaga kayo. Di nga, totoo yun. No? Nangyayari talaga yon. Yung sa mga sobrang nagtitipid. Napapamahal lalo. Totoo yun. Okay? Oo. Yung makikita mo dito. Two of Wands, Seven of Coins, Universe. Ay, ano kayang pipiliin ko rito? Ito na lang kaya? Oo, kasi medyo mura. Baka sakali. Kapag yung mura na yan, ito yung Queen of Cups. Ano yung Queen of Cups? Love. Ano yung, anong meron sa love? Pagmamahal. O, di ba? O, di ba? Na connect-connect no? Oo, connect-connect rin. Okay, so, oo, wag kayong manghihinayang sa gagastusin nyo, lalo na kung, medyo pricey. Doon kayo sa quality. Okay. Oo. Literal na, real talk lang. Na, so, fire signs, what else? The Five of Wands. Some of you need to block this Sagittarius. I don't know. Or meron kayong iba-block mga Sag. Five of Wands. The Eight of Coins. There's, medyo busy. May mangyayaring sobrang daming gawa sa workplace. May chance na may magkakaroon ng away-away sa sobrang daming gawa. Mga ganyan po. Ha? May narinig ako, teamwork. Ganyan. There's drama pagdating sa workplace. I don't know what's with the Five of Wands. Yeah, the Nine of Swords. There's conflict. There's drama. Yeah, may sisihan pa akong nakikita rito, ha? The world in reversed. Kasi pwedeng merong hindi matatapos. So, there's conflict na pwedeng mangyari. Okay. Next. Water signs. Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. Anong message for water signs, please? Okay. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Water signs. Messages for water signs. The Six of Coins. Anong meron dyan sa Six of Coins? Let's clarify. The Page of Coins. Message na ang nilalaman ay pakikipag-ayos. Paghingi ng kapatawaran, mga ganyan. Okay, there's someone from the past returning. I think this is like a second or another chance for some of you. Wanting another chance. Okay, from an earth sign. Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. Yeah. Payslip. Ano ba yun? Parang sweldo. May nakikita rin akong ganan. Okay? Yeah, the devil. Anyway, someone is obsessing na magkaroon ng pagkakaayos with you. Water sign. Okay? Excuse me. What else? The Lovers in reversed. What's with that? Lovers in reverse. That's Gemini. Oh. May nanghihinayang. Some of you, merong mga offer na daraan lang or hindi nyo makukuha. Parang ganyan. A missed opportunity. Why? Yeah, the Two of Coins. In reversed. So, wag kang manghinayang dito. Oo. I think si Universe, the Queen of Wands Universe, the Tower Universe. I think si Universe ang gumawa nito. Kaya may mangyayaring something na parang separation. Dahil kailangan lang talaga the Lovers Universe. Yeah, kailangan lang talaga. Okay? Si universe ang gumagawa nito or ang gagawa nito. Huwag nyong panghihinayangan kasi kailangan mangyari. Kailangan munang madrop itong connection na to with a Gemini or an Earth sign. Okay? Pero I think may chance ng reconnection in the near future para sa inyong dalawa. Okay? The Seven of Cups and the High Priestess. Okay? There's something na pwedeng meron pang parang wino-work out si universe para sa inyo. Parang ganun. Okay? Yung iba sa inyo, ang daling makakuha ng connection. Pagdating sa pera, napakakawawa. May chance kasi na yung person na kakonect ninyo is hindi tama. Yes. Okay. King of Cups. What's with this King of Cups? So there's a person coming in the near future. What's with this King of Cups? The Eight of Swords, universe. At ang taong to magsasabi agad ng emosyon, intention, whatsoever. Wala kang makikita ritong pagtatago. Water sign, air sign. Yeah, the Ten of Coins. Oh, this person, sabihin natin, gusto niya ng connection na parang long term, like commitments talaga. They want kids, they want marriage. Yeah. Yes. So, okay. So, may chance na ikasal yung iba sa inyo in the near future. Yeah. Daraan lang talaga sa mga pagsubok yung iba. Okay? Daraan lang talaga sa mga pagsubok. Daanan nyo lang, ha? Oo. Yung mga pagsubok na iyan, ha? Okay. So, Earth signs, Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. Anong message for Earth signs? Okay. Queen of Wands. Getting a lot of attention, attraction. Okay. Na pwedeng may mga tao rin nagsasabi ng hindi maganda behind you dahil parang nabibitter sila. The Queen of Wands, the Five of Wands, universe. Yes. This is an energy of parang confident. Oo, kapag confident yung isang tao, may masasabi at masasabi parang hindi maganda yung iba pagdating sa kanila. Yes. Okay. Iba't iba ang tawag dyan, reaction ng mga tao. Iba sa inyo, mga pinagbubulungan kayo. Di nyo alam. The Four of Wands in reversed. Okay. The Empress in reversed. An issue with a mother or father. Issue sa bahay, issue sa workplace. Let's see na hindi bibigyang pansin. Four of Wands universe, Four of Coins. Yung iba sa inyo, no, pwedeng merong struggle. Yung mga nagpapagawa ng bahay, this is so specific. Yung mga nagpapagawa ng bahay, kailangan pa talaga, or may mga plano, kailangan pa talaga mag-ipon. Kaso paano kayo makakaipon? Ang dami ninyong inuuna. Masyado kayong mabait. The Empress in reversed. Yeah, the Page of Coins in reverse. Marami nang nadidelay. Okay? Marami nang nadidelay. Sinasabihan kayo na mag-ipon. Maging wise sa paggamit ng pera. Yung iba sa inyo. Okay? May mga pag-iipunan yung iba. Okay. Page of Cups in reversed. What's with that? Page of Cups in reversed. The Hierophant. Bakit nakabaliktad si Page of Cups? Some of you, may mga nagkakagusto. Ano tong Page of Cups in reverse? Again, the Magician in reverse. Oh no. Pwedeng Virgo, Cancer. Someone is afraid na ipakita yung totoong emosyon. Okay? Ano tong Hierophant? Some of you, merong mga gumagawa dito ng ritual. Merong mga ginagawa ng ritual sa inyo. Ha? Para magkaroon ng pagbabalikan. Yes. Yeah, see? The Lovers. May mga gumagawa dito ng ritual para magkabalikan kayo. Opo. Okay? Because there's codependency. Like, hindi ko kayang mabuhay nang wala si Earth sign. So, kailangan ko tong gawin. Mga ganon. Ito. The Magician na naka-reversed. Yeah. And they're wishing for a what? Connection again. Relationship with you. This is so creepy. You don't know. Someone younger. Ba't ako nabulong? Okay. So there, opo. Yun ang ating reading for all signs. Again, yeah, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And follow our FB page. Thank you. Bye.